Toyota has announced the launch of an all-new Land Cruiser commercial. This latest model is a factory conversion of the Land Cruiser passenger vehicle introduced last year, which received widespread acclaim and strong customer interest. It pairs the Land Cruiser's renowned off-road capabilities with a functional cargo space and premium features, while upholding its legacy of quality, durability, and reliability. The conversion is carried out at Toyota Manufacturing UK's facility in Burniston, Derbyshire. The process involves removing the rear seats, adding steel panel inserts to make the rear section opaque, and fitting a full-height metal bulkhead with a mesh upper section. The result is a robust and practical load area featuring an edge-to-edge floor tray. The compartment offers dimensions of 1,090 mm in height, 1,685 mm in length, and up to 1,286 mm in width, delivering a total cargo capacity of up to 2,000 liters based on VDA measurements. The vehicle also supports towing loads of up to 3.5 tons. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser Commercial is equipped with the same 2.8-liter engine found in the passenger version, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It features permanent all-wheel drive and selectable driving modes tailored to different conditions. Off-road technologies include crawl control, hill start assist, and downhill assist control. In the near future, the powertrain will be upgraded to include Toyota's upcoming 48V mild hybrid system.